Welcome to Peppa's Golden Boots app. Choose an activity. Let's see what's hiding in the mud. Daddy Pig knows a lot about being a successful puddle jumper. To become one with the puddle, he says you must think like a puddle. And if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look out for Peppa, George and Freddy. Look, it is a hedgehog. Daddy Pig does love a muddy puddle. Press the yellow button to play again, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose an activity. Let's go to space. Peppa and her friends are flying to the moon in a rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Choose the easy, medium or hard level. Peppa is flying around the moon. Watch out for the mountains. Press and hold the green button to make the rocket fly up. Well done! You collected 4 stars. Press the yellow button to play a different space adventure, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose something to do. Let's visit Miss Rabbit. Peppa and her friends have landed on the moon to visit Miss Rabbit's gift shop. Can you help each of them find some special presents? Choose a character to help. Peppa, George or Susie. Susie needs your help to find 1 green first aid kit, 2 yellow balls and 3 teapots. Hello, Miss Rabbit. Look out! Flick and drag items out of the way to find what you're looking for. Don't forget to look out for a golden boot. Well done! Two yellow balls. When you see what you're looking for, tap it. Well done! You have 1 more to find. Well done! And 3 teapots. Well done! You have 2 more to find. Well done! You have 1 more to find. Well done! You found everything that Susie wanted. 1 green first aid kit, 2 yellow balls and 3 teapots. Press the yellow button to play with another character, or press the green done button to play a different game. Choose something to do. Let's make some food for the ducks. Help Peppa make some food so she can go and feed the ducks. Choose some ingredients and put them into the bowl. Worms. oats, green leaves, carrots, corn, seeds. Excellent ingredients. Now mix them together. A little bit more. Well done. You have made a tasty duck cake. It looks a little big for the ducks. Can you slice it into smaller pieces? That's it. Keep going. A little bit more. Well done. Let's go and visit the ducks at the pond. We are at the pond, and here come the ducks. Flick or drag some food onto the ducks to feed them. Don't forget to look out for the golden boots. Almost. Try again. These silly ducks keep moving about. Almost. Try again. Choose something to do. Let's sing a song.